looking for love over 50? Our next guests have been there and they found it. Now, BOKMA and AMIT KARIA of Chapter 2 Dating are leading workshops to help other couples or potential couples. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning, Annette.
So tell me how you found each other, first of all.
Well, we were both online and we had dated about 20 people, other people, not at the same time. And then we met each other and it's been an amazing whirlwind.
Yeah, thank you, Tinder. We'd both been separated for a few years after being in long-term marriages and ventured online. And like Amit says, met a lot of people. I had a lot of first dates and none of them were terrible. But, it's pretty hard to find the connection that you might be looking for. And people say online dating doesn't work, but it doesn't work until it does. And in our case, we're really lucky that it does.
Absolutely. Have to keep in mind.
So what are some of the tips then that you help others with to show that it does work?
Well, we started offering workshops to other people because we, want people to feel hopeful. A lot of people are lonely and they want to meet someone, and the online world can be intimidating.
Yes.
So we started offering workshops to women over 50, and now we're going to offer them to men over 50 at chapter2dating.com. And we do offer a lot of tips.
Absolutely. And we all can benefit. Sometimes of sharing experiences and realizing what works, what might not work, but just remaining hopeful and excited.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Some of the tips that we do talk about, of course, we talk about safety. Ever since the Tinder swindler stuff, women are very concerned about safety. Men are concerned about being scammed. So we offer really concrete advice in that area, but also about persevering. The online world is kind of like fast food dating, but you want to take the long view. It took me a couple of years to find someone that I'm quite compatible with. So persevering and realizing it could take a while, but it's worth it to meet a lot of people till you find the right one.
Right, because you don't have to find that perfect person, right? Along the way, it is great to meet. It's a social thing, right? To meet other people.
Absolutely. Especially now after this COVID pandemic, things are opening up. Weather is improving. People are getting outside. So why not get online and try to expose yourself to somebody new?
Yeah, and when you're older, you sometimes you have to adjust your expectations a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
We want to find that perfect person, that perfect mate. Well, by the time you're our age, you realize nobody's perfect and you all have your own baggage. I like to say mine was carry on. But you have to have realistic expectations and maybe your idea about who you might want to go out with, or, just be open to meeting people.
Absolutely.
Because we're set in our ways by this age, right?
Yes.
You
Yes,
can
we
be. You can be.
Or you might have had an experience and you say, well, that's it, but it's sort of like a meal. You might have had a bad dessert, but doesn't mean you give up on dessert.
No way. Dessert is great.
You got to keep trying it.
Okay, we're going to keep it rated PG here, kids.
Yeah.
But you offer things like on even the photos that you post online.
Correct. Yeah, there's a lot you can do with photos, and we do have experts that advise us and also advise our students on how to improve their presentation, because you're really marketing yourself. So if it could be helping you with words and bio, or helping you with pictures and specifically lighting and angles, it all helps.
Exactly. And also, I think it's important not to let online dating take over your life. Don't have your notifications going off all the time. Don't be obsessive about it. I sort of checked it at night for I did about 20 minutes a day because you want to approach it with a calmness and a confidence, not this desperation or, am I ever going to find somebody? So taking the long view, getting to the first date as quickly as possible. Do not waste time and endless texting. There's a lot of advice that we can offer after,
Okay, and you'll be offering that advice. Your next workshop is coming up actually on Monday afternoon, so we've got the details there. It's Chapter 2 Dating. And Amit, congratulations on finding each other and finding happiness, and thanks for joining us. We'll get all the details up at chch.com.
Thanks so much, Annette.
Thank you.